In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snap layouts on Windows 11. Start by opening File Explorer, then open Notepad. After that, open Settings. You should now have 3 overlapping windows on your desktop, and that gives us the setup we need to work with snap layouts. Click the File Explorer window to bring it to the front. Move your mouse to the top right corner of that window and place the pointer over the Maximize button. Do not click it. Just hover over it for a moment. A pop-up menu appears, and this shows several layout choices including 2 side-by-side sections, layouts with 3 columns, and layouts split into 4 parts. In that pop-up, click the left half position in the 2-column layout. This is the first layout option, and you want the box on the left side. As soon as you click it, File Explorer snaps into the left half of the screen. On the right side, Windows shows thumbnails of the other windows that are still open. Click Notepad from the thumbnails on the right. Now both windows are arranged side by side, and each one fills exactly half of the screen. Next, switch to Settings. You can click the Settings window if you can see it, or press Alt plus Tab to move to it. Once Settings is active, press the Windows key plus left arrow. The window snaps to the left half of the screen. Windows then shows thumbnails of the other available windows on the right side. Select one of those windows from the thumbnails to fill the other half. Now with the active window selected, press the Windows key plus right arrow. That moves the active window so it snaps to the right half instead. Then press the Windows key plus up arrow. The window snaps upward into the top half of the screen. Now press the Windows key plus down arrow. At this point, the window either restores to a different position or minimizes depending on its current state. For a quarter screen snap, use 2 shortcuts in sequence. Press the Windows key plus right arrow first. Then press the Windows key plus up arrow. The window snaps into the top right quarter of the screen. Now we'll use dragging. Click and hold the title bar of any window. Keep holding the mouse button and drag the window toward the left edge of the screen. As you move it into position, watch for a transparent outline to appear. That outline shows the snap area where the window will land. Release the mouse button, and the window snaps to the left half. Windows shows thumbnails for the remaining open windows. Select another window from those thumbnails to fill the other half. Next, drag a window by its title bar toward any corner of the screen. As you reach the corner, a quarter screen preview outline appears. Release the mouse button, and the window snaps into that corner. Now drag a window by its title bar to the top center of the screen. When you reach the top center, a layout bar appears across the top. This bar shows arrangement options similar to the menu you saw when hovering over the Maximize button. Drag the window onto the layout position you want, then release it there. After that, choose the other windows from the thumbnails, so they fill the remaining spaces in the layout. Now click a window to make sure it is active. Press the Windows key plus Z. The Snap Layout menu appears over that window, and it shows the same layout options available from the Maximize button hover menu. The layouts are numbered. Press the number key that matches the layout you want to use. Then press the number key for the position within that layout where you want the active window to go. The window snaps into place, and Windows shows thumbnails, so you can fill the rest of the open positions. At this stage, your desktop is arranged in a clean and organized layout, with each window placed neatly into its own zone, whether that is side by side, across multiple columns, or in 4 sections. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To change the arrangement again, repeat any of these same methods. You can hover over the Maximize button and choose a layout. Use keyboard shortcuts with the Windows key and arrow keys. Drag windows to edges or corners until the preview outline appears. Drag to the top center to open the layout bar, or press the Windows key plus Z to bring up the numbered Snap Layout menu. Each method leads back to the same result, which is a structured desktop where your open windows fit into the layout you choose.